Hello there, Tony and Mum. This is my quick guide to finding our house. You're going to follow all the signs, I'm sure, from the airport correctly, hopefully, and you'll get on the correct motorway and go along the coastal road past our old house and all the way on to Marbella. And keep on that motorway all the way around Marbella until you come to this area. And the first problem you're going to face is this, which is a tunnel. Just before a tunnel, the road splits into two, and I was going to drive along this road here. You're going to follow signs which will take you to Puerto Banús, not Estepona Algeciras, San Pedro, okay, because the road splits here. Okay, so you're going to keep in the right hand side of the split, and this will then take you on into a tunnel, okay. That's the first thing for you to bear in mind, and there you are going for a tunnel. When you come out the tunnel, you've still got about another kilometre, I believe, until you come to the second exit. First exit does say Istan. The second exit will come here. I think the number, if we just move along here, is 175. Marbella, Puerto Banús to Istan. Okay, when you come here, turn off to the right-hand side. It's going to take you up to the right and then down. Okay, you're going to head on down this road to the next roundabout, which is this one. Okay, when you approach this roundabout, it will look like this. On the on this side of the road over here is actually a shop called Iceland. Okay, you can actually see it just there, but it's a main roundabout. The first roundabout I should come off and take this route down to the right. Okay, just keep in the right hand lane and follow off down the right. Easy peasy, dual carriageway, and you know, you're just going to head along here for a few roundabouts, okay? A few roundabouts. Just keep them straight down here, over and over and over until you come to this roundabout here, which just seems to be like the end of the dual carriageway, really, and it kind of splits. And you're looking for this arch here, which if I get a bit closer, says Los Naranjos de Marbella, or Los Naranjos de Marbella, Los Naranjos. Okay, you're going to turn off into this. Be careful, some cars come out here sometimes, and head on straight here. Looks like we're following a taxi, so it's bad angle. Not great, useful Google Earth, but we're going to head on straight down here. Okay. As we head on down here, you'll come across some bins on the left-hand side, and you're going to come to this roundabout here, and you're going to head off to the right. First right into mine and Sonia and Oliver and Emma's street. Okay, there it is here. Okay, called Calle Arete. You'll know you're in the right place. On the right hand side you see signs like Manzana Uno, Manzana Tres, but just keep going along here, and hopefully Sonia will be around to meet you here. There's only a couple of streets up, and actually, if I just stop myself here, this here, is that right? Yeah, just here. The tree, this big tree here now has disappeared. Alright, it's not there anymore. It's much more open. This is our house in here. So we'll move along just a little bit. There we are here. This is our house. You're going to park in here. Any parking spot here. Make sure you lock up. With a hire car, it's particular attention for people. There's nothing wrong, but it can be an attention for people. So don't leave any belongings in it. Okay, hopefully Sonia will be there to meet you. And just here is our gated entrance, just here on the right hand side. Okay, so that is actually our house, just there. Alright, hope that helps.